To use Chime, you do not need a traditional bank account, as Chime is a financial technology company that provides banking services through its mobile app and online platform. Chime is a mobile bank that allows you to manage your finances and access your money without the need for a traditional bank account. When you sign up for Chime, you will receive a Chime spending account and a Chime Visa debit card, which can be used to make purchases and pay bills. The Chime spending account is a full-service demand deposit account that is FDIC insured up to the standard maximum deposit insurance amount. To get started with Chime, you simply need to download the Chime mobile app and apply for an account. You will need to provide some personal and identification information to verify your identity and set up your account. Once your account is set up, you can start using it to receive direct deposits, make purchases, and pay bills. One of the benefits of using Chime is that it does not require a credit check or a minimum balance to open an account. Additionally, Chime does not charge overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, or foreign transaction fees, making it a low-cost alternative to traditional banking. If you already have a bank account, you can also link it to your Chime account to transfer funds and make payments. This allows you to use Chime in conjunction with your existing bank account and take advantage of Chime's features and benefits. In summary, Chime is a mobile bank that allows you to manage your finances and access your money without the need for a traditional bank account. To use Chime, you simply need to sign up for an account and verify your identity. You can then use your Chime account to receive direct deposits, make purchases, and pay bills without the need for a traditional bank account.